Oklahoma Bridges here, and this is a real nice Necchi machine that I'm working on at the Restore in Stillwater, and it had an interesting problem with the thread, with the lower thread, the bobbin here. They had the tension backed off almost entirely because the thread was all tangled up on the bobbin. So the solution for that was to remove all the thread that was left on there and wind it from scratch, and then I was able to adjust the screw to get correct tension. So now I'm going to give this machine a final test run. I had to do a little bit of rewiring on this machine because it had a new foot pedal installed at some point. It's a Japanese foot pedal, and got that taken care of. It's going to be a decent machine. It's a nice clone of a Singer Model 15. I will have this out on the sales floor here, but that might be something you want to look at, is if you're having trouble with your bobbin tension with a machine like this. Check and see if the thread is tangled up on the bobbin or not. Don't keep backing the screw off thinking that you're going to get lower tension. Actually take the bobbin out and check and see if the thread is tangled up. There were two different colors of thread wound on there, and they were both badly tangled over each other to where it just wouldn't spool off. So always check that. Another thing to check, I had this all apart, is occasionally there's two screws here. Take the throat plate off and clean all the lint and gunk that accumulates underneath there, because it will affect the performance of the machine. And it certainly was on this machine here. The motor would hardly run the machine over. The machine hardly turned by hand. There was so much gunk. The shuttle comes out on one of these central bobbin system machines. Clean all the lint out of that, wipe all that down, smear a thin film of oil on all the parts, and it'll run a lot freer. So, this is Oklahoma Bridges. Thanks for watching.